Good Sunday morning, Tyler DZHP here. I wanted to give a quick tour of my freshly detailed X3 X-Drive 35i. I just finished detailing the engine bay. I'm also going to show the regiment of products that I use. I try to keep it as simple as possible and as efficient as possible. There's the engine bay. It's very sparkly. Seats look great. Really pretty much everything looks great. I did did all the seals, all the rubber seals. Other than a few plastic Mars here and there, this thing is in super good shape for being. Let's see, some of those. Might figure out some kind of a paint solution to fix those Mars, kind of clean them up a little bit. This thing is looking really good. It's been a while since I did a very thorough detail. Hello. Oh, Geller. Another scratch there. If anybody has any ideas on the best stuff to use to kind of paint over that, it's good for plastic, I'd be interested. Just a little blemish right there. Clean the mats really good. The BMW mats, they're pretty good. These have a tendency to, actually this one's fine, but these like to pop off. They're just hot glued on. I'm gonna use some super glue and glue them back. This one? Oh yeah, see. Pretty common issue I've seen on these. There's some scratches on the glove box a little bit. Few there, but overall everything is really good. I love this mocha. This mocha leather is so pretty along with the trim. Super satisfying to have it looking this good. And for the products I use, so I try to keep everything as efficient as possible. So the first thing I do, this is a 3D Products LVP leather vinyl plastic, and this is diluted 10:1. And this is a Detail Factory 6.5 inch super soft brush, ultra soft. It's almost like a makeup brush, but I had done a very thorough clean last year and nothing too crazy was on it, so this was able to agitate pretty much everything, get everything really clean. But yeah, use this on all the leather, all the vinyl, all the plastic. So that's very versatile. Pretty much any hard soft surface that's not fabric in the interior. And basically just spray it on, agitate it with the brush, come back with a damp microfiber and wipe it off and let it air dry. And then for the mats, I used a wheel brush and a couple shots of simple green after I sprayed some water on it. And then for all the plastic, well, I use this for the engine bay and all the rubber seals around the doors and trim. That stuff this is a really old bottle, but it still works well. There's a while where I wasn't using it. And then for everything else, you can use, this stuff smells really good. It's just kind of like a very fresh, clean smell. And you can use it on pretty much, again, absolutely like every hard plastic or hard material, even leather, all that stuff. So yeah, four products to get most of everything done. And car in general is looking really good too. I did a good wash and did my quick detailer spray, the Griots, quick detailer or speed shine. Well, thanks for watching. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye-bye.